Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to disable remixing on Instagram. First of all, open your Insta application, and if you want to disable remixing for a specific video or reel, then open the reel or video, tap on this three dot, tap on turn off remixing, tap on turn off, and that's how you can disable remixing for a particular video. And if you want to disable remixing for your all videos and reel, then tap on this reel and icon at the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on privacy, tap on reels and remix, and from here turn off allow for reels. You can also turn off allow for feed videos. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.